Lovelies, welcome back to Lola's recipe. How are you doing today? In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how I prepared this my nutritional and delicious vegetable soup. This vegetable soup is very delicious and it is packed with nutrients like very good for your overall body. Okay, please keep watching while we cook together. In a pot, I had my red palm oil. I will allow it to heat up a little bit. Then I will add my diced onion and locust beans. I'm going to stir this together so that both the locust beans and the onion can infuse flavor into the oil. I will add my smoked prawn. Next, I will add my minced pepper. Okay, these are bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and pointy pepper, which is also known as tatashe shombo and atarodo. If you're from Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, I will stir it together and I'm going to allow it to cook for a few minutes. Few minutes later, I've come back to check on my sauce. So I will add seasoning cube. I use just one. I don't like Maggi, okay, or seasoning cubes. I don't like a lot of it. I also had a little bit of salt. I had my crayfish. Please, when you are making this vegetable, please be generous with your crayfish, okay? It gives your vegetable soup a nice aroma and delicious flavor. I will go in with my deboned panla fish and assorted meats. For my assorted proteins, I use shaki, cow tripe, I use beef, I use pomo, I use cow's nuts. Okay, I dice, you can see I cut them into a small pieces or smaller pieces. So I will cover this after stirring together. I will also go in with my prawn, just little, they are not much. That's what I have left in the freezer. So I will stir it together. Next, I'm going to add my vegetable. For this soup, I will be making use of 3 types of vegetables, okay? Number 1 is fresh ugu leaf. Number 2 is kale. And the last one is spinach. All the vegetables that I use in this recipe are already be blanched. Blanching means pouring hot water in your vegetables for for a few seconds, then remove them from the hot water, transfer them into a cold water to prevent them from further cooking. Okay, this helps to retain the color of your vegetables. The nutrients are still there. At this stage, I've stir all my vegetables together and I'll still go ahead and add extra crayfish for extra flavor. Okay, be generous with your crayfish when you are making this soup. Like I've said earlier, I'm going to stir this together. At this point, this soup is ready. Remember, I've already blanched the vegetables, so there's no need to cook this further. My vegetable soup is ready, and as you can see, it is looking so beautiful. The vegetables color are still there. If you watched this video to this moment, I say a very big thank you to you. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.